Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Memberstack in Framer apps, beginner guide. To begin, open your Framer project. Next, navigate to the code section of your Framer app. Add the Memberstack library to your project. You can do this by going to the integrations menu. Locate the Memberstack integration and follow the prompts to install it. Once the library is added, create a Memberstack account if you haven't done so yet. Log in to your Memberstack dashboard. In the dashboard, create a new project. Take note of the API key provided for your project. Return to your Framer app and create a new component for authentication. In this component, import Memberstack at the top of your code. Initialize Memberstack using the API key you copied earlier. Define the states for your login form, such as email and password. Create a function to handle user login. This function should call the Memberstack login method with the provided email and password. Add an event listener to your login button. Make sure this listener triggers your login function when clicked. Now, set up feedback for the user on successful or failed login attempts. This can include alerts or updating the UI accordingly. Next, create a registration form for new users. Set up states similar to the login form for username and password. Develop a function to handle user registration. This function should call the Memberstack signup method with the form data. Add an event listener to your registration button. Ensure this button calls the registration function upon clicking. After implementing both forms, style them to match your Framer app design. Test the login and registration processes in your development environment. Make necessary adjustments based on your testing outcomes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.